Let's get the ad. What's the ad? All right, brother. So we go Nightshift, @Nightshift, EXPO. We got vlogs, shorts, cars and coffees, car meets, all types of shit, man. Yeah. Repping the merch, you already know. The Nightshift. Where can find merch at? You can find it on our website, or you can just message us on Facebook or Instagram, TikTok, whatever, all social medias. We're on everyone, so.
What's up, Nightshift family? Ethan and Natalie here at the Dapper Detail Shop with Cody. We're currently live on TikTok, prepping for the meet, as you can see.
This one's not as bad. I did just clean this one, but just still got a little bit, like right here. Get all that dirtiness off of there. Looking pretty. Somehow every single meet we've hosted in the last 2 weeks, we've been doing this. So if this is your sign that you want to get white wheels and you're like, I don't know if I should, yeah, you don't. Just don't do it. It was nice, they were wrong. From far away, but until it gets all dirtied up and you get all this gunk on here and you don't have that good old loafer lather on this bad boy, your life will be miserable. That's just how it is.
Alright guys, we are here. Meet is just getting kicked off. We got chemicals set up, we got the board set up, we got people rolling in. We're gonna do a little bit of a different parking situation because we had a clusterfuck last week. So we're gonna get people lined up so we don't have any confusion. With that being said, let's get going. What are we getting? Nightshift drink. All right, bet. Let's get it. All right, it's almost time. Hey, oh my God, the cinnamon. Your bit. We got Fred just pulled up. Got chemicals. The board set up. People are actually filing in. We have a better flow than last time, guys. So far, it's still early. What up, boy? Ow, 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 ow. Ow, my toe. I'm just kidding.
Somebody to burn out here no more space.
Yeah. Got Cody over here. Live.
We got the live. Yeah, I'll have a vlog up.
Yes, sir. You'll be in the vlog.
Definitely check that out.
Just gotta go say hi to Fred. Oh, Fred!
What's up, Pippin? What's up, man? man. You see it over there?
Yeah.
Look at it. Look at it all gray
All
and shit.
twinning,
Just all
twinning.
plain. It's just plain.
Come on, go ahead. Come on, go ahead.
My bad.
Go ahead, twin.
You telling us to
Come here. Peep. Hey, come peep this. Yeah, that's first premonition. You know, whatever we just came out with.
Oh yeah, I actually got for the actual like design.
You know, we had yeah, Bo, get your own table. I'm working on it, bud. Get your own table, Bo. Yo, chat, look what he's doing. He's taking pictures and then printing them out.
Yeah, you just took that.
I think I know that.
I just took that like 5 minutes ago.
You took that 5 minutes ago?
No way.
Boy, that looks like it's at the lake or something. Hey, look who it is. Hey.
Hey, you got the Maybach too.
Oh shit.
Oh, you brought the whole fucking place.
He brought the whole
No, that is hard, bro. That is the darkest of dark.
That's awesome.
Hey, they pulling up deep, bro. They pulling up. Whose alarm is it?
I don't even know that. That's what I'm trying to. Hey, my boy.
Hey, they pulled up deep, bro. We don't even know where they can park. Like, we got to go this way. All right, boys, we're doing our rounds here with Salem Knights and Drop a Gear. We're gonna go check out some cars. We're gonna go see what's here. So let's check it out. Hell yeah, dude. All right, boys, we got this. I mean, blacked out, bro. This is super dark. Like, I don't think it gets darker than this, bro. This is sick. What's up, bro? Yo, bro.
Yeah, I like to meet, man.
I appreciate you for coming out, bro. It's lit, bro. I appreciate it.
I like it.
Appreciate it. Hey.
Nightshift. It's for you.
Yeah, I think this is fun. Love the color. Let's say Nardo gray, probably. I don't know, man. Hot, though. Just say shout out to all the bike boys that pulled up. Hey, last 1K. Hey, shout out Jay, bro. Shout out Jay. Bringing the bike boys. They always pull up deep. Yo. Look at this setup, chat. Yo. Hey, where can we find you? All right, bet. We're going to put it right here. You already know, Roberto always pulls up. Let me show you what's on the bag. Y'all see whose sticker that is. Nightshift, baby. Let's go. Shout out Roberto. Hey. Yeah, shout out these guys. Always cool. What's up, bro? Yo, bro.
Yeah, I like to meet, man.
I appreciate you for coming out, bro. It's lit, bro. I appreciate it.
I like it.
Appreciate it. Hey.
Nightshift. It's for you.
Yeah, I think this thing is hot. Love the color. I would say Nardo gray, probably.
Where's John at?
I don't know, man. It's hot though. This thing's definitely hot. Yup. shove. Do a shove it. Shove it right here. For the vlog. For the vlog. For the vlog. Ah, next time, bro. Accurate boys pulled up. Homie said, "You'll never get me in the vlog, bro." I got you, bro. I got y'all in the vlog this time. Don't worry. Yo, this guy. Excuse me, sir. You can't. You can't park here.
I'll park wherever the fuck I please.
Oh, all right. Guys, chat. Chat, look what he got, man. You know, honestly, we were out of hot pink, and I was like, fuck, man. Maybe.
It's gonna end up getting redone anyway.
Right, I was like, you know, maybe that'll work. Maybe he'll like those, but it works out because it looks good, bro. Yo, this guy always pulls up deep. Audio on 10. I'm kind of a pussy, and I will never sit in it. What up, boy?
I'm not doing any at the moment. Okay.
My boy fixed the header bolts on my truck at one point.
Yeah, at one point I fixed the header bolts on that car. Whoever did it before just, you know, twisted them with the hand and left them loose. But
They put out weird different types.
hey, yeah, there was like 4 or 5 different bolts in there, dude. So, you know, shout out to it wasn't me. More bike boys. Hey, what wiener dogs?
Hey,
no,
hey,
turn
I got the
around.
banana suit
Turn
here.
back around, please. What the dog doing?
Sorry, man. Hard tire, all-wheel drive, 300 horsepower to 3,200 horsepower. So we would love your group to come out and do some runs. If they have a show bike they want to, I see a few S1Ks over there. If they want to be part of the is it? That's what I was talking about.
Okay.
That's the spec that I want.
I can't ever remember what bike he's on because he pulls up on a different bike or a different car every time. Well, I don't know. I don't know what he pulls up on.
Trackhawk makes like every I was in the Trackhawk last
So that gives you every reason to come to Yellow Belly. Just come.
I know Mr. Express.
Here. Hey, we appreciate it so much. Chat, what the fuck is this?
Vintage Sony? Hell yeah. That's gonna be in
Everybody! Come hither! Come hither! Everybody come here! Alright guys, I appreciate all you guys for coming. Thank you for being respectful, you know, keeping the burnouts not here, the noise down, music down. It wouldn't happen if it wasn't for y'all. So set up with the community. We're having a super, super big show that we can do burnouts, we can be loud, and we can do whatever we want on August 9th. If you're looking for the information, Nightshift on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. We got merch, stickers, and all the information you could possibly need on there. So be looking out for that. Without further ado, I appreciate all you motherfuckers for coming out, keeping this fun chill. I don't need security. I don't need anybody enforcing because all I do is ask somebody to be quiet and they be quiet. And I appreciate y'all so much. So let's give ourselves a round of applause because it's from the community. Thank y'all, that's it. Love you. Guys, I'm a super big fan of this guy. I got a Banana Man sticker. Alright, Chase, what are we doing?
Take a little picture right here. We got before pictures. Apparently, we're gonna get some work done.
This Acura is about to be crazy, bro. It's Fred's girl. They twinning. So this Acura is about to get a full makeover. So
We're trying to get that base look.
we're gonna get a good flick of it before, so we have something to compare it to. I'm filming him while he's filming him. All right, guys. Looks like bike boys and girls are. Oh, he stole his helmet. Alright guys, so walking over to meet our merch guy. He's over here. We had an order, so we gotta go pick it up. So let's go do that.
It's okay.
Hey,
So
whoa.
we dropped one of the logos in.
Oh, hold up.
So now that we got the other.
Look at that shirt. Look at that shirt right there. You out, bro? Thank you for coming. No problem. Appreciate it, bro. Be safe.